It's me on my very first Sri Lankan train experience, the train ride from Kandy to Adams Peak.
This is Sri Lanka, and today we are going to explore and discover
The Sri Lankan train ride from Kandy to Adams Peak. The train ride to Hatton, which is the nearest station to reach Adams Peak, was my very first train experience. Based on all the research that I did, the train ride is an amazing experience in itself. And it is. So I was so excited and ever ready to travel for 5 hours. Upon arriving at the train station, I and a German couple whom I met earlier that day at breakfast were told that the tickets will be issued 5 minutes before departure. So we waited and then we ran to the platform as soon as we bought our tickets. When we got to the platform, we moved places a couple of times since we were trying to figure out where our wagon would be, since holding an unreserved ticket doesn't guarantee you anything, and we were anxious about getting a seat. So it turned out we were not the only ones planning our way in and getting that seat. So when the train arrived, we were facing a reserve wagon. Everyone just scattered, trying to find a decent seat. And after running back and forth and losing the people I'm traveling with, I found myself in a wagon just between economy and non-reserve. The non-reserve wagon was packed with all the tourists, so I made my way to economy, and to my delight, I found a space for my backpack and myself. A few hours later, I found a nice spot at the door and decided to keep the spot until Hatton. The view along the way was stunningly beautiful, and I just couldn't get enough. We arrive in Hatton. Right outside the station is the bus stand for Hatton to Dalhousie, and it's hard to miss. So I hop on a bus, and minutes later I was reunited with a German couple, and we laughed our way to Dalhousie. Reaching Dalhousie, the base of the climb to Adams Peak, our plan was to get a good rest and earn all the energy that we needed to climb Adams Peak at 2 in the morning. But I can't rest. My soul just wanted to wander the place, and so I grabbed on my camera, put on my sandals, and I went to find the waterfalls nearby.
that is Adams Peak. That is where we are hiking tomorrow, early in the morning at 2:30. The Adams Peak, right there.